Hello children, today we are going to discuss 2024-2025 O-Level Max paper, question number 9. Ninth question, 9 small solid metal right pyramids. We are talking about pyramids, each with a square base of a side length A. Base is a square shape, side length is A. Length and the breadth are equal because the pyramid is in base of this pyramid is square shape. So the diagram is not given. We will sketch the diagram. A, base side length A and height 2A. Height of the pyramid is considered to be, that is given as 2A, are melted. Like this 9 pyramids are melted and a solid right circular cylinder. They are going to melt 9 such pyramids and solid right circular cylinder of base radius r. Radius of the cylinder is r and height is 3r without any wastage of the metal. So they are going to melt 9 pyramids and remake a solid. Then volume of 9 pyramids is equals to volume of the cylinder. Volume of a pyramid is 1 over 3 into base area. Base is the square shape, length and the breadth are same. So A into A, base area into height of the pyramid is 2A. Likewise 9 pyramids into 9 is equals to volume of the cylinder. Cylinder's volume pi r squared h. That is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder that is given in your question paper. Okay, children, we can cut off. Multiplications are like scissors. 9 and 3, we can cut off 3 times. So we can multiply 2 into 3, 6, a into a cube. 6a cube is equals to pi. We have to check the question. In question, pi as it is. So we have to keep pi as it is. No need to substitute. Into radius of the cylinder is given as r. R squared into height of the cylinder is 3r. So 6a cube is equals to 3 into pi, 3 pi. R squared into r is r cube. Moreover, we can't simplify the equation, so we will move to the question. Show that a cube, we have to make a alone. A is the subject of the formula. So who is joined with a is 6. Multiplication 6 taking to other side, it will change as division. Therefore, a cube is equals to 3 pi r cube over 6. So we can cut off 3 and 6 2 times. Moreover, we can't simplify. So a cube is equals to pi r cube over 2. That's what we have to show. Okay, that part is over, children. So we will move to the another part is there here. If r is equals to 1.725 centimeter, by taking pi equal 3.14, find the value of a cube. Using logarithm table, we have to apply log table now. So using the log table, we have to find the value. So we will take a cube is equals to pi r cube over 2. That is the formula. In this formula, a cube we have to calculate using the log table. So we have to apply LG instead of pi. Pi value is 3.14 given into radius. R is given as 1.725 to the power 3 over denominator is 2. So we have to use log table. So I have written LG. We are going to use logarithm to find the value. Okay, children, now we are going to use log table. A cube as it is, we are going to calculate the value of a cube using log table. So we are going to write LG 3.14. Multiplication will change as plus 3, the power 3 we are taking front, 3 Lg 1.725 over division means minus Lg2. We have to find the value of these things using log table. Before decimal 1 digit is there, 0 is the characteristic. If you check in the log table 31 and 4, 4969, 4969 plus 3, in between these two no symbol means multiplication is there. Here also 1 digit before decimal, 1 digit means the characteristic is 0 0.17, 2 and 5. The log value is 2367, 2367 minus, here also before decimal 1 digit, so 0 0.20 and 0 2 we can check, so 20 and 0 3013 is the log value. So according to mathematical operation BODMAS, we have to find first, we have to multiply this by 3, so we will copy 0 0.4969 plus 0.2367 should multiply it by 3. You will get the answer as 0.7101. If you multiply that by 3, 7101 minus 0.3010. So next operation we have to add these two and deduct. If you add these two numbers, you will get 1.2070. If you add 1.2070 minus 0.3013. Now finally we have to deduct and find the anti-logarithm value. Anti-logarithm of, if you subtract 1.2070 minus 0.3010, the answer is 0.9060. 9060 in log table you have to search, children. Where is this 9060? That is accurately not there. So we have to check the closest value, that is in 80 and 5. The remaining number is we can find in mean difference, that is in 3. So 0 means 1 digit, we have to place the decimal. The answer is 8.053. So they are asking find the value of a cube using logarithm table. That is done, and obtain the side length a. We are going to find a of the base of the pyramid to the nearest centimeter. That means they are asking you to round off to nearest centimeter. So a cube is equals to 8.053. If you round off, a cube is equals to nearest whole number is 8. So a cube equal, instead of 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 cube. Here these two cubes are equal. Therefore the value of a, side length a, is equals to 2 centimeter, nearest centimeter. Okay, in volume question, we we found the equation, we apply the equation and show that this value a cube is equals to pi r cube over 2. That is done. And also they are asking you to find the logarithm. That part also finished. Another part is given here, children. So we will check that part also. That is from a solid cuboid with a square cross section of side length a. You know what is a cuboid? In your small grades onwards you studied about cuboid. Here the cuboid is, the base is square shape. This is a cuboid. So square shape, side length a. Square means the length and the breadth are same, a. And height 2a, height 2a. If one small pyramid with the above mentioned measurements is cut and removed, find the volume of the metal remaining. Remaining means we have to subtract. So volume of the pyramid is given here. Same above mentioned pyramid. This side is a, this side also a. and the height of the pyramid is given as 2a. Remaining means we have to deduct, subtract. So volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height is 2a minus volume of the pyramid is 1 over 3 into base area a into height 2a. So here 2 is the answer. A into A is 2. A cube is the volume of the cuboid minus 1 into 2, 2 A cube over 3 is the volume of the pyramid. So here each and every number has a denominator of 1. So we have to find the LCM. Here the denominator is 1. 1 and 3 LCM is 3. So we have to multiply this by 3. Then this also must multiplied by 3. 3 into 2, 6a cube minus 2a cube over common denominator is 3. 6a cube minus 2a cube is 4a cube over 3. That is the volume of the remaining solid. Children, we didn't finish that question. Within bracket, another information is provided and the question is continued. Use the above obtained value of A. They are asking you to apply instead of A 2 centimeter. Above obtained value is 2 centimeter. Instead of A, they are asking you to substitute. Substitute this 2. So we will substitute for this part 4 in between these two multiplication. A is 2, 2 to the power 3 over 3. 4 into 2 thrice is 8 over 3. 4 eights are 32 over 3. 32 is not divisible by 3 children. So we can write as a mixed number. 10 is the whole number. 10 times 3 is 30 plus 2, 32 centimeter cube. Cubic centimeter is the volume of the remaining solid after from the cuboid. If you remove a pyramid, you will get the remaining volume as 10 2 over 3 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of the remaining solid. Okay, thank you children.